Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we'll discuss about a topic, what is collaboration in Scrum projects. Friend, if you are a student and studying project management, agile, Scrum or project management in university, or you are planning to give exam related to Scrum, so this is a very important topic, and you will see this topic in the exam. At least 3 to 4 questions will definitely be there in your for which your concept related to collaboration will definitely be checked, so that it is very important topic to understand. Secondly, friend, if you are a professional project manager, scrum master, product owner, and working in any organization already as a professional person, so you must have to understand that what is collaboration, how to collaborate with each other, and what is its importance. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. What is collaboration in Scrum projects? Friend, first of all, we have to understand that what is Scrum actually. Before going into the deep, we have to understand what is Scrum and what is its importance and what does it mean by implementing projects by using the Scrum. So, from Scrum framework is it's a framework which we use to implement the software projects, and it is a new approach as compared to traditional approach of waterfall. Let's take an example. Take an example that you want to implement a project by using the waterfall approach. You want to implement an e-commerce solution, and you have to deliver, for example, you have to deliver 40 tasks in an e-commerce solution, and you have to deliver it for ABC customer. Let's assume that you have to implement that project by using the waterfall or traditional project management approach. If we use the same approach of waterfall, so waterfall says that we will develop all the 40 tasks first. We will plan the 40 tasks, then develop, then test, and then deploy. So it the waterfall approach says that all the things will happen in one flow, in one sequence. It cannot happen that if we reach in the testing phase, so we cannot go back in the development phase. So we progress phase by phase. We cannot go back, and the thing is that all the things will happen in one flow, like plan, develop, test, and then deploy. So this is the main flow of waterfall or traditional approach. However, if we use the same approach, if we use the same project of e-commerce solution and use the approach of a Scrum, so Scrum says there's an approach of sprint. Sprint is called as the 3 to 4 weeks time period, in which we take, for example, we take the 10 tasks first, sprint 1, and we plan, develop, test, and deploy all the 10 tasks first, and then the next 10 tasks will contain in the sprint 2. Again the same approach of plan, develop, test, and deploy. Then sprint 3, the next 10 tasks, and then sprint 4, the next 10 tasks. So in that way, friend, till we reach at sprint 4, all the 40 tasks will be completed and the whole project will be completed. So the Scrum says that things will happen, project will proceed in chunks, which is chunk is called as a sprint, is a 3 to 4 week time period. And the thing is that the we will deliver the things to customer in chunks, and we get his feedback at a very early stage. Customer has also some comfort that he is getting something at very early stage of a project. However, in the in the waterfall approach or traditional approach, what happened that the feedback of customer we receive at a very later stage, and that stage when we receive, all the things are already developed, and to change something it's become very difficult at that moment because all the things are already organized and developed. So now friend, if you can understand the concept of a Scrum and traditional project management waterfall, and if you can understand the difference between Scrum and waterfall, we can now proceed further. So now our main topic is collaboration in a Scrum project. So what is collaboration actually, friend? Collaboration, if you just talk about in general sense, collaboration means meeting with someone, working together actually in a general manner. However, in a Scrum collaboration, in a Scrum refers to the Scrum core team working together and interfacing with the stakeholders to create and validate the deliverables of the project to meet the goals outlined in the project vision. See, friend, basically, you know that in a Scrum we have three roles main: product owner, Scrum master, and a Scrum team. Product owner is a person who has the clear vision of the project, and he is the customer voice. He is the person who is getting the requirements from the customer and communicating it to the Scrum team. Okay, so he is one role. Second role is a Scrum master. Scrum master is a person who is the having the a complete knowledge about Scrum body of knowledge, and he knows the best practices of a Scrum, and he is the facilitator among the product owner and the Scrum team. And he is a person who is, if there is any bottlenecks, if there is any issues in proceedings of a project, so he will help the Scrum team to remove any bottlenecks, etc. So he is the role. He is having that role. However, the Scrum team is the core team. Core team means, friend, the team of like software engineers, software developers, database engineers, quality assurance, testers, production deployment, application developers. So these are the persons who are the core team actually. And friend, remember one thing that here, that core team means that they are the core resources like software engineer, software developer. So now here the collaboration concept is that in collaboration, Scrum refers to Scrum core team working together. So friend, core team means that the Scrum core team interfacing with the stakeholder. Stakeholder means customer, product owner, any vendor, etc. So they collaborate with each other also, along with among themselves as well, and they work together to and validate the deliverables of the project to meet the goals outlined in the project vision. That means, friend, the Scrum team collaborate with each other, collaborate with stakeholders like customers, users, among themselves, and they will try their level best to achieve the goals defined for the project. Collaboration is a general sense. Just try to understand collaboration like meeting with someone, working together. So that is the main concept of collaboration. The core dimensions of collaborations are awareness. Awareness means that even individuals working together need to be aware of each other's work. Like for example, if software developers are working, so they must have to know that what software designers are doing, what quality assurance are doing, what testers are doing, etc. So awareness is very important as a dimension of a collaboration. Articulation. Articulation means, friend, that collaborating individuals must partition work into units. Like the work should be divided equally or appropriately among the team members. Like it should not happen that one person has 90% work and the second person has only 10% work. Like the work should have to be divided properly into units so that the we can have a proper building of a project. Then the next one is the appropriation. Appropriation means that adopting technology to one's own situation. The technology may be used in a manner completely different than expected by the designer. Appropriation means, friend, the work should be the adaptation of technology should be appropriately uh, work as assigned as per their situation. Okay, so these are the three main core dimensions of the collaboration: awareness, articulation, and appropriation. Now, friend, the benefits of the collaboration are, first of all, it will minimize the change request. Why? Because see, when collaboration is good, collaboration means that the collaboration with stakeholders like customer, with customer collaboration is very great, collaboration with the product owner is very great, collaboration with the stakeholder is very great, collaboration among the team members is very great. So as a result, the change request will remove a change request will minimize, because see, whenever at a very early stage of the things of a project we receive the requirement, we have the visibility. risk will be mitigated, risk will reduce, the efficiency will increase, and the most important factor, the improvement will be continuous. So these are the four factors which we can say as a benefit, great benefits of the collaboration. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.